Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G30, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. Now to get started, let's just pull down the notification panel and find the toggle for it, which for me looks to be right over here. Okay, so once you find it, simply slap that toggle, turn it on, and there we go, we are now in power saving mode. And now the power saving mode will do things like disable, for instance, our Wi-Fi or mobile network when the device is locked and not being used for a couple of minutes to preserve battery, but because of that you will also not be receiving any notifications that will require internet. So if you're having a problem with that, that's the culprit right here. Now, apart from actually turning on the power saving mode, you have a couple additional ways of increasing your battery life. That would be by, for instance, turning off things like NFC. If you don't need it, turn it off. Bluetooth, if you don't need it, again, turn it off. Wi-Fi, same thing. If you use, for instance, if you rely on network, then disable either mobile network and keep Wi-Fi, or the other way around. That will save your battery. And the most battery that is kind of being wasted most of the time is just by brightness. So if you drop your max brightness by half, even though it seems like it's basically invisible right now, that's just because of the lighting and the camera settings. I can basically see what's on the screen still. So that being said, if you drop it basically halfway or even lower if you wanted to, you will increase your battery life by several hours. So it's a fairly good trade-off, I would say. And once you're done with the power saving mode, you can basically bring your system back to the default and tap on the toggle once more to turn it off. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.